Are you gonna baby cam it?
And that's
Yeah, Mom took close to stand up right.
That's our baby cam we got this summer.
Really, Roger?
No, we're not as bad. Okay, so this is where Rogers the other day he's like, yeah, I wrote down and decided to get a new camcorder for Christmas, and I'm like, what, your annual camcorder purchase? He's like, no, I haven't got one in 10 years.
He hasn't gotten a camcorder in 10 years.
That does not seem possible to me.
He's gotten
But
cameras.
every time I see him, he has a new
Don't
car.
stand up for him.
He's gotten
Tell the
cameras.
truth.
Then he's gotten cameras to take video.
But not a camcorder.
Whatever. Yeah, that's what I did say. I'm like, what about cameras? He's like, what?
Okay, I'm going.
He gets a new
Ah!
camera yearly.
Let me get over here.
But they're not technically his. He says
How
they're
you took the
Carlos.
picture for
Wait.
this then?
Why?
Oh, you want to take pictures instead of video?
No, I want to do both.
Well, you can't. You're one or the other. You can take pictures from the video later.
What
Don't
are
have
you
any
doing?
control.
It doesn't matter because Kim broke it anyway.
Kim.
You two dorks.
You're the dork. Call us dorks.
Sit down.
You know you have to sit and take in front of her, take the top off.
Whoa.
I got you.
That's really not so much.
Interesting reaction, Aaron.
Now it's a real baby cam. She just has to learn
Yeah.
how to use it. Aaron, careful, boxes are deceiving.
Exactly.
Yeah, no kidding.
Is there a bunch of tape on it?
Get down.
It's really
You
filled with.
tell
Handle
her.
your dog. She's
It's been open
She
already.
didn't listen to me
It's filled with
either.
cookies. I would like cookies too. What in the heck? Okay, it really is a camera. Look at how big that is. Well, you already know because you got.
I got